Hello 7th grade, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to complete the present continuous for future by answering the questions in your student's book and workbook. So please prepare your books and be ready for our class. The outcomes of our lesson today, students should be able to revise the present continuous for future, answer the questions on student's book, page 33, and workbook, page 26. So please open your student's book, page 33. In this page, we have lots of questions. We want to answer question number 3. And this is about present continuous tense for future. Look at these notes in Holly's diary, then ask and answer. Here we have some notes. We want to use these notes to make questions and answers by using present continuous. And notice here, the use of a present continuous is for future. Excellent. Holy Thursday. Number 1. Look at the question. What's Holly doing on Thursday is and verb ing. The answer is she's going to the shopping center. Let's think about number 2. Rose, Tuesday. We want to complete these notes according to this way. So, number 2, what is the question? What do you think? Yes, what's Rose doing on a Tuesday? Rose is, we have the note basketball. Excellent. Is playing basketball. What about number 3? Jack and Laura, Monday. Let's look at Jack and Laura's note. On Monday, we have London. What do you think? Yes. What are Jack and Laura doing on Monday? They are visiting London. Excellent. Number 4. Holly, Tuesday. Look at Holly's notes. On Tuesday, we have meet cousin. What's Holly doing on a Tuesday? She's meeting cousin. Excellent. Number 6. Jack and Laura on Sunday. Revise for exam. What are they doing on Sunday? They are revising for exam. Excellent. Complete the rest of the question in the same way. So, I'll show you the answers. These are the answers. You can complete the question in the same way. Make a question and answer using present continuous. And don't forget, the use of present continuous in our lesson is for future. Look at this note. Remember, you can use the present continuous for future events, which are the result of plans or arrangements in the present. These are examples. We're having pizza for dinner tonight. Tonight here indicates the future tense. Excellent in present continuous. And recognize the form of it. We as a plural. We use are. This is the contraction. Having the verb ing. Number 2, my cousins are coming to stay next weekend. Next weekend indicates the future tense. Are coming, are verb to be, coming verb ing. We deleted the letter E because we add ing here from the verb come. The last one, Harry is taking his driving test next week. Next week also here indicates the future tense. And Harry is a singular noun, so is with verb ing taking. And now let's move to your workbook, page 26, and answer the questions. Let's start with the question number 1. Look at the computer. What are the teenagers doing for the portrait project and when? What are Laura, Jack, Ross, and Holly doing for the portrait project? These are notes about what they are doing for the portrait project. We want to use them to answer these questions. Number 1. Where are Laura, Ross, and Jack going on Monday? Let's look. Monday, Laura, Ross, and Jack Sports Center. So what do you think the answer? The answer is excellent. They are going to the sports center. Recognize the form of present continuous. And we are talking about something will happen in the future. This is plans or arrangements that will happen in the future. Number 2, what are they doing there? Yes, they are reporting on the basketball team. Yes. Number 3, when are Holly and Ross visiting Professor Bolt? When? Friday. Let's read. Holly and Ross visit Professor Bolt at his house. Yes, so the answer is Holly and Ross are visiting Professor Bolt on Friday. Number 4. Who is interviewing him? Who? Yes, Holly. Number 5. What is Ross doing? Look here, Ross, draw a portrait. Yes, the answer is Ross is drawing a portrait. Excellent. Number 6. Who is going to the shopping center? Next week, everyone to the shopping center. Yes, so who? Everyone is going to the shopping center. Number 7. What is Laura doing? Laura is taking photos. And the last one, are they writing down on their interviews? Yes. No, they are recording them. What about question number 2? Write about your plans. You want to answer these questions according to your own ideas. But I'll show you some possible answers for these questions. Number 1, what are you doing tomorrow? You can say, I'm visiting my grandpa tomorrow, or you can change this verb. Number 2, what are you doing at the weekend? What are you doing at the weekend? You can say, I and my friend are going to shopping at the weekend. Number 3, what are you doing next month? Yes, I and my sister are watching TV next month. Number 4, are you doing anything exciting this year? You can say yes or no. I'm not doing anything exciting this year, or I'm doing something exciting, and you can mention this something. Number 5, and this is the last one, what is your family doing this week? Write about 2 members of your family. You can choose any one of your members from your family and talk about them. My family is making a birthday party this weekend. Or my mom and my sister are making a birthday party this week. Now we are going to talk about the last thing of our lesson today. This is phrasal verbs with catch. We have lots of phrasal verbs with catch that we are going to use in question number 3 on your workbook, page 26. These are the phrasal verbs with catch. Catch a cold, catch an eye, catch fire, catch the bus, and catch a glimpse. You have to know that the past verb of catch is caught. We are going to use this verb in the question. Let's do the question. Complete the sentences with catch and the words in the box. I fire, a call, the bus, and a glimpse. Number 1. You must hurry if you want to. We have to, so we use catch. To catch what? Excellent, the bus. Number 2. In the music shop, a silver electric guitar caught Sam's eye. Yes. Number 3. Why is Sally sniffing? What do you think? The question. Yes, we start by has she, excellent, caught a cold? Has she caught a cold? Yes. Number 4. As we drove through the forest, look here, we have verb past. We catch or caught, excellent, caught a glimpse of the sea between the trees. Number 5. A flash of lightning hit the roof and the house. What happened for the house? The house, excellent, caught fire. Okay, my students, we'll stop here. In the next lesson, we are going to start with Unit 4. The name of the unit is Advertisement, الإعلانات. So please prepare very well and be ready for the next class.